This is my Keychron K2. The first switch chooses Mac or Windows, the second selects wired or wireless mode. Now slide it to enable Bluetooth to turn on Bluetooth mode. Step 2. Reset the keyboard by pressing Function key plus J plus Z. Then you can see all the LED lights start to blink together. This means the keyboard reset is now complete. Now select the channel. Keychron K2 comes with 3 channels, that means you can connect 3 devices. You can shift to each channel by pressing Function key plus 1 for channel 1. Function key plus 2 for channel 2. Function key plus 3 for channel 3. Now it is time to connect with the system. For that, turn on Bluetooth in the system. Then click on Add New. You'll see the Keychron is showing as available to pair. Click Connect, then you are good to go. Enjoyed this tip? Share it with your friends and hit subscribe for more. See you soon.